a pre-interior design major, I guess, with plans on doing architecture as well, possibly. I don't know. It's early. Right. This bike had a couple things going on with it. This right here is the cable housing, and it was frayed and busted open, which is no good. Ring, or excuse me, the crankset. And I just installed that. It also needs a few more things. It probably needs a brake adjust, and also this hub's a bit loose, and that's something that I'm going to get to. If you don't want flat tires, keep your tires pumped up to the recommended pressure at all times.